customer stopped with her 13-inch MacBook Air M1. The screen was damaged and needed repair. We gave her a clear, affordable quote, and once she gave us the green light, we got to work. Our expert technicians handled the repair with precision, using quality parts to bring her MacBook back to life. Now it looks and works like new again. Having the same issue? Visit us at Digimobile in Ronkonkoma. We're here to help. Fast, reliable repairs, expert technicians.